My silence is not weakness, it's my strategy. I don't waste energy arguing, proving myself, or explaining things to people who don't deserve my time. I watch, I listen, I learn. While others shout to be seen, I move in silence and let results speak. Silence is power. It confuses enemies, protects my plans, and keeps my peace. People think silence means I don't care. Truth is, I care enough to stay focused. I don't need noise to win. I don't need attention to succeed. I just need discipline, patience, and a sharp mind. I don't react. I respond when it's time. And when I do, it's final. Let others waste time talking. I'll be building. Let them doubt me. I'll be growing. My silence isn't emptiness. It's preparation. And when the time is right, they won't hear me coming, but they'll feel me, loud and clear. Thanks for watching. Join our community for more.